So I weirdly got hit up on Bumble on the way to going up the hill to go see the sunset tonight, and she said to go to this place called the LX Factory or something. Anyway, it was right literally as I was going past it, so it'd be rude not to, so we're dropping in just to see what this place is about. So I jumped off the bus and I have found it, come on the corner to the LAX Factory right here, and let's see what she was on about, if it's any good. So it turns out it's this like little area full of like, you know, artists and things like that, you know, very Camden-esque type stuff, and even like you find weird bits like this down dead alleyways. And yeah, skateboard factories and stuff, and yeah, it's very its own unique vibe here. There are lots of bars on the streets, therefore I think it's going to be an awesome place to get some tapas and drink out here and just be a really lively place. Like, what? What is that? And yeah, I'd say that was a great find of a stranger. Very weird, very unique place this, with all the stuff everywhere and random. It's like Camden Market if it was on the Costa del Sol, you know? When we go up and look at the sunset and get that done, I'm going to pop back down to LAX Factory and have some tapas this evening. Like, why not? See what that's about. Definitely getting like first date vibes down here for people who want to come date. So I sat down, had some tapas, didn't really know what I ordered, but it was all good. Loved the ham. Not a single dish that wasn't cleared. I mean, it was absolutely phenomenal. Oh yeah, this definitely became a cooler place to hang out now. I mean, look at these. Yes, as you can tell, I've had my first beer of the holiday and got attracted to some bright lights, which is a usual thing of mine. But no, this place is really good and I recommend.